You should sign up for Medicare Part B 3 months before you're ready to retire. And for a lot of people, that is 3 months before they turn 65. And when we talk about Medicare, we're talking about the first day of the month that you turn 65. So 3 months before you're ready to retire, you need to call us and we can guide you on how to sign up for Part B, what it's going to cost, and what it's going to cover. Without Medicare Part B, you won't be able to get supplemental coverage, such as a Medicare Supplement plan or a Medicare Advantage plan. So if you don't know when you're going to retire and you're working for an employer that provides you group health insurance and you're 65 and you want to keep working, 50% of people want to keep working past 65. That is fine. There's no penalty for not signing up for Part B. In fact, there's a great financial advantage for not signing up. If you have group health insurance, an employer with over 20 full-time employees, you don't need Part B. Save the money. Whenever you want to retire, maybe it's at 66, maybe it's at 70, maybe it's at 75. Call us 3 months beforehand, and then we'll sign you up for Medicare Part B. Then you can start paying for Medicare Part B, but there's no need to pay for it if you're going to remain on your employer's group health plan. If you're self-employed and you don't sign up for Medicare Part B at age 65, there is a hefty penalty. It's 10% a year for every year that you don't sign up. So if you are not on an employer health plan, be sure and call us, get the right advice so you don't make a mistake.